Welcome to our training on sources, which is one of the two key components of MyCurator. Sources are where we tell MyCurator what to read. Just like you're going around the web reading your Google alerts, maybe in emails, and reading blogs, maybe through a reader like Flipboard, reading news articles. Well, MyCurator is going to be reading all those same things. The way it does that is through feeds. And we use the current WordPress links area to set that up. You probably already have some in there. You might have them as part of the blog roll category. Maybe they're showing up on your website, maybe a few blogs that you read. What we do is we use this same file. We're going to create other categories that MyCurator is going to read, and we're going to put in links into those different categories, and MyCurator is going to be reading them throughout the day, pulling in all the new articles that come in. And feeds are ubiquitous out there. Certainly every blog has a feed. Almost every news site has feeds. Let's gather some of these feeds with our Source It tool. Source It is a bookmarklet that lets you grab and save an RSS feed into your WordPress links page with just a couple of clicks. No more searching for RSS icons and cutting and pasting feed URLs. Now let's grab our Source It tool. Choose Get It and Source It from the menu and then click on the Source It tab. Click on the Source It button and drag it to your Bookmarks toolbar. There are also instructions for using it on your tablet or phone. We're going to follow content curation of all things on our blog. I'm at the Content Marketing Institute site, and I want to use it as a source for MyCurator. Just click the Source It bookmarklet and it finds the RSS feed for the site. No searching for the feed icon. Sources have a category, and we're going to group our sources into the Content Curation Source category. Just enter that into the Add New Link category. Just submit, and we're done. We've saved a source for MyCurator. Back at my site, I can see the feeds I've captured with the Source It tool in the All Links page. Sometimes the Source It tool won't work, such as for a site with a list of feeds to choose from. In this case, I'm going to use my Source Quick Add. This is a quick little screen to let me enter feeds directly. At TechCrunch, I can find the RSS feed symbol here, and when I click on it, it comes up with a list of different feeds that TechCrunch has. I can choose a feed by just finding the feed I want, right-clicking, and then copy that link address. Then I head back to my source's feed URL, and I'm just going to paste it right in there. I'm going to give it a name, TechCrunch Social. I want to check the category, and I could create new, and when I'm done, just create the feed. Another option is to create a Google News or Twitter search directly on the fly. I can create a Twitter search and actually enter some keywords such as content curation. What will happen is MyCurator will search through Twitter for anything with content curation, and if it finds a link in that tweet, it will follow it and see if it can find the article and then curate that for you. Now go back to the All Links page, and you can see the sources I've created from RSS feeds. The next step is to tell MyCurator what to look for when it reads all these sources. That's the topic of our next video, Topics. Thank you.